Hey guys, Liz here. Well, today we're going to work on a little fall pumpkin project. What do you say? Does that sound fun? And the items that I'm going to be using are things that you probably have in your house. They may not be exactly what I have, but it could be something similar that will look equally, if not better, than what I'm going to create. So let's get started. So you guys may remember towards the end of summer, I went to this new store in my town called Gabe's. And I had never been there. And what I learned once I was strolling around the store is that their home decor items are dirt cheap. Very, very, very inexpensive. So I got 3 of these little urns. They were, I believe, $3.99 each. And what I really liked about them is they're white and chippy and farmhousey looking. So, and they're different shapes and sizes. And so we're going to do something with these today. The funny part is I thought I took these down to my store and I'm like, I'll use them when fall comes around. No, guess what? I've been looking for these little suckers for weeks. And I finally found them today when I was straightening up the house. I opened one of my cabinets and I was like, there they are. There you guys are. I talked to my home decor items. Do any of you do that? So I pulled them out, I ran down to my store in the basement, and I gathered some items. So let's get started with the items I'm going to be using to create these little masterpieces. Okay, I got this little pumpkin. It's real pretty and shimmery. I got this at Walmart last year. I've got 3 of them. You know where I'm going with this? Oh, yes, you do. So I've got 3 of these. Then I've got some greenery. I may or may not use these items, but I'm just showing you what's kind of in my head right now. I have this piece to an old garland that I may break apart and put into this urn to add some pops of color. And I may not use that. We'll see. I've got some berry garland. I've got my little handy dandy wire cutters and a bag of moss. And I also have a bag of raffia. Not sure where I'm going to go with this. Probably going to go with this. So those are the items. Oh, I also have a bag of these mini pumpkins. Got these at the store yesterday. If I wanted to, I could use these, but I don't know. My eyes keep going to this because I like sparkly, blingy, pretty things. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with this pumpkin instead of this, but we'll try them both out and see what looks better. All right, let's begin. Okay, guys, you can get these at Hobby Lobby. This is like a greenery pick. Unfortunately, I don't know what it's called, but you can get these all day, every day there. I always see them there. I always like to try to get these 50% off, but I love this in my decorating. I usually stock up big time. I'll buy like 6 or 10 of them. And then I love adding these to my home decor items. So anyway, I just cut a little piece off, like so. And I'm going to fluff this out a little bit more. Right? And now I'm going to just going to kind of loop it on top. Almost like I'm creating a little bird's nest. Pretty, right? Now I'm going to add some berries. So I made this one a little bit longer than the rest of them. Here's my pumpkin. Here it is. Let's get some berry garland going. Sometimes you can break it apart, other times you can't. I need to add more berries. Love it. So I just finished all three and I think they look adorable. I like the fact that the moss is hanging down, that the greenery is cascading down, that the berries are kind of going up in odd ways, and I love the little pops of color. So all in all, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Now I just got to go find a tray. Down to the storage room I go. All right, guys, well, I was going to put those arrangements on a tray and set it on a table somewhere, and it's funny how your ideas can sometimes change, and you walk by something and you're like, that's the perfect spot for it. So I'm in my kitchen still, and I've got these two shelves, and I decided to put them up here. I used to have the chalkboard over there with my bucket with some greenery in it, and I took the bucket down, moved the sign center stage, and then put two of the little arrangements right there. And I think it looks cute with one pumpkin's stem going one way and the other one going that way. And then I put the other arrangement over there. And I love how they turned out. I like the fact that we've got the earthy moss. I like the fact that the greenery cascades down. I love the pops of color. And most of all, I love the shimmery shine of the pumpkins. It's a little sparkle and bling, bling, bling up there on the shelf. So, I hope you guys like these little arrangements. And, you know, you don't have to do three. You can do one. Just simply do one and set that on a table. And I think it would be absolutely beautiful. So, I hope you guys like it. And I'll be back with more fall decorating. Bye, guys.